are heading out to Silver Falls State Park. We're here on the 4th floor, and we're just here waiting for the elevator. So we are staying here at the Kimpton Vintage Hotel in downtown Portland. In this hotel, there is only valet parking, so we are here waiting for our vehicles. I'm taking a small tour of the lobby, and here in the lobby on the left is a bar, and I see that on the weekends there's a lot of people here having a good time, enjoying the music and enjoying themselves. Alder Street.
Yeah, Alder was it. I think yesterday too late now here. Take it a little late. This one little more gay. Joe Park here. Oh, did you not? For little.
In 3/4 of a mile, take a slight right turn onto US 26 toward Milwaukee.
I'll go here. So you just do whatever you like. Milwaukee, Oregon City.
Well, it says we should get there by 12:53 mile. No, not for a minute. We should get there by 12:19.
Ooh, they low.
An hour or something.
Wow.
We got separated after we left the hotel, so we stopped here to wait for them, and there was a Voodoo Donuts here, so we stopped for donuts. Nice flat.
You know your condo, what?
Yeah.
Countryside. They just built this nice one.
New construction right here.
It's no good home. But what plastic?
New luxury home.
Plastic law. I think you're there for countryside, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went through there for the wedding, small wedding.
You know, that it no rung go down to Hawaii theo yo. Hawaii no one
different
no one style theo.
You know why I'm you plant like so can you south if north you there you can go to the north too, right?
If you want to hike.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, we brought some stuff too. Lo? Chị phải nằm một tại trên đến chắc khá bài lo áp cho nó nào lo. We're going to North Falls.
Cái gì cái này? Ồ, kia rồi nó.
Yeah.
Nó lo rồi. Thay cho nó lo rồi. Có nó lo rồi.
Mà thôi nè. Cái nó bự rong nó heo. Lỏ. Chỉ lần thử vậy mà thấy ư sao? Dạ.
Okay, lo lú are famous Silver Falls lo chứ nó. Yeah. Đó là mà lỡ cũng khá cho hai cơ đó là mà thầm đa thế chứ. Cũng chỉ hai lý thế. Chờ tao một số lú ha như phụ bè na cái phò xe lúc phụ hai bây giờ lú lú na cái phụ bè lú Grand Waterfall thì tiêm à Grand đó sao một sai cho nó tiêm một cái thiết tiêm nature mà explosive thì tiêm nó thế nó chỉ just normal ha.
Daddy and me, we are chasing waterfalls. Có phải video đó. Yep.
But yeah, no fish. Not a soul of fish in here. The lady like this part right here. The trail is narrow with the big tree on the way. See nobody down there?
Yeah, biết tụi nó vô cùng down. Là sau biết tôi không hợp á. Thì tôi muốn walk under.
Ủa, 이런 거 있어 걔도 더 하나. 이거만 right? 그. 거들이 거기다 뺐더네. Yeah, that's where we came from earlier. Bộ biết tôi xấu tổ, we were up there. Biết nhau xấu nè. Yeah. Yeah, we were up there higher, right? Yeah, so how do we go there?
say, oh, oh, because yeah, I think this is the one that you saw the wall or the book of the one. Oh, yeah. That's
Watch your
where-
head, Daddy.
Yeah, that's where we go to the parking lot. Woo! I get something wrong getting into the You know? Because this is holded by rock, guys.
Number.
By rock.
Oh, 저거 거쳐 놓으려.
이거는 tall,
야, 야, 너무 터는 요.
Oh yeah, this is tall.
Oh, nó chỉ mới chỉ thay nó đi rồi, cho muốn gì được co.
Yeah, this is tall.
I think hotel này có south one. I think the south one lot channel na. That's why I want to go over there. Yeah, so I want to go to that one.
어려워요.
我是老的了。后来的怎么好了那个
그 tall네, 야, 그 tall sẽ trên ball này, nó tall này.
đây đi lấy thế nào đây đi. Cái thái selfie nó bỏ.
Hả?
Cái thái selfie nó bỏ bên trên.
Selfie.
Yeah.
Hello.
Mà gì là biết thay không?
Hello.
Biết thay video không?
Selfie đi
Bỏ,
có sự.
yeah, bỏ selfie bên nó không được.
Bỏ bên mê sự. Chụp cho này, ok.
Nó sợ. Đây đi sợ này có hả? Sợ này hả?
Hả?
Sợ này có nó sống một tí tiền. Chỉ bỏ thì nó còn hả? Chỉ bỏ.
This is mommy, so you only see a shadow. We're in the cave. The waterfall comes from above.
I know, yeah, they're lucky clover.
Yeah. Làm thay đuôi tí xưa. Bài ba rồi.
Look at this leaf, it's so big. That's what I said, that good boy, you know. John Denver.
People love to use it all the time.
After about an hour of hiking through the canyon, we finally made it back up to the parking lot and we parted ways. They have to go back to California and we're going to be here in Oregon for a few more days.